Hi guys, look at this. This is a takeaway bag or a tapa bag in Singapore. But it's not a tapa bag, it's a backpack. You see? Okay. So now to those who are interested on this bag, I will show you how to do it. But first thing, I need to show you the materials and the tools that we need. First, we need this takeaway bag. Front carrier adapter, hard plastic, it can be acrylic or thick PVC. And of course, we need the bolts and nuts. Now let me show you the tools needed. First, the drill for drilling holes onto the plastic. Next is the puncher for punching hole onto the bag. And then the spanner, Allen key. We also need the measuring tape, but this is optional. You can just estimate, or if you want really equal dimension, you can use the measuring tape. Okay, now let's begin. First, we need to position this on the center, then mark the drilling holes. Okay, let's put this on the edge and then measure. We have 82, so we need 41. I aligned the bottom using the straight edge of the box. Now I will mark the drilling holes first. Okay. After marking, proceed on drilling the holes. By the way, we need some tissue box so that we can punch through the hole easily, and we can make the bag a bit harder so that we can easily align the plastic plate. If still not enough, you can put any boxes that can fit. Close the bag. Now let's put this plate and catch the center. Once you get the alignment, hold it firmly and punch those 4 holes. Here are the punch holes. It is still looks very small, so we have to punch again. First, we take out all the boxes inside. Now let's poke it again from outside going inside. Let's make the hole bigger. And then for the last part, do the poking from inside going outside, because the bolt will insert from inside. So what are we going to do? We will put this washer and bolt inside. Let's put this plate first. Oh, okay. I better put on. Okay, one down. Okay, I will temporarily put this until I completed the 4 bolts. Maybe I can use some magnets here to hold the plastic and the bag together. So here I have a strong magnet here. I think this will help me to hold. This is neodymium magnet. This is a super strong magnet. Now I'm inserting the 3rd bolt. Last one. Now it's time to put the front carrier adapter. So I think the bolt is too long. I won't be able to tighten. So as you can see, this one is still loose inside. Yeah. So if you check, so I don't have space to tighten. Okay. So I will put lock washer. It's good to have this because we can avoid the loosening of bolts during vibrations. So double purpose. This is a spacer, and at the same time to avoid loosening or nuts. Okay. Okay, now I need to tighten inside. Okay. Okay, let's see how it looks now. So inside we have 4 bolts with washer protected with this cover. So now we're going to close. Okay, project done. So maybe if we need to put some weight here, if you're going to put a heavy things or you want to put a heavy load, you have to put an angle shape bracket inside. But for the light ones, I think this one will be okay. But if we can put angle here and connect to the other side, I think this one is just a board only. Oh, very soft. It's just a carton only. Oh. So if we can put aluminum inside and attach to the bracket, to the plate, then it will become more sturdy. But anyway, this one is okay for the lighter ones. Okay, then close here. Done.